We are ready to go. Drivers, hands off your controllers in 3, 2, 1, go!
And we are off for qualification match number 64 here on Jones Field number 2. Blue Alliance off to a quick start, launching in rapid succession from both those near and far launch zones. The Red Alliance Robo Knights is doing the same from the far launch zone as their teammate. Ultraviolet empties that ramp. Ending autonomous,
Driver,
it looks
pick
as
up your
if
controller.
there are 2 leave points for the Red Alliance and 1 for the Blue Alliance. As we enter the driver-controlled period, it is a close game with less than 10 points going between the 2 teams here. Over on the Blue Alliance side, Wild Squirrels is staying up close, cycling through those artifacts and emptying the ramp as quickly as possible to allow for themselves and their teammates to earn more points through those artifacts. Ultraviolet did the same thing on the red side as they are joined in the near launch zone by their teammates, Robo Knights. Continuing their strategy, High Voltage is taking that far launch zone for the blue team, while their teammates, Wild Squirrels, are staying in this near launch zone over here. Let's take a moment to recognize the high accuracy coming from High Voltage over here, making every shot that they have fired thus far. Back for the red side, we have seen that Ultraviolet has filled up that ramp and emptied it, launching 3, going 2 for 3, as their teammate comes up to join them, collecting some artifacts as they are in a skirmish with Robo Knights up front. With under a minute left to go, it is still an extremely close game and could go either way, with both blue teams going for as many points as possible, joined by the Red Alliance, though it seems that Wild Squirrels is now struggling with their aim. In this game, consistency is key, and Ultraviolet does that, going up for 3 artifacts at a time and scoring 3. We have now entered the end game phase, where drivers have a choice to make. They are going to try to fill up these ramps as quickly as possible, and it looks like the Blue Alliance is going to score these artifacts in theme with the motif to earn them some pattern points as well as...
Match 64 belongs to the Blue Alliance. The score of 260 to 240, fairly close given this game. They will walk away with 5 ranking points, pushing 22-4-11 Wild Squirrels into the number 9 position and 6-1.